Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And me and Evan, my little brother, Evan, we bought these.
With our name?
Yep, it has our name on it. And we also bought some other things. We're still in Florida right now. We're about to leave to go back to where we live. But we have a few things that we want to show you guys, okay? So first what I want to show you is these. Got these 3D printed mystery dinosaur eggs and 3D printed dragons.
And dinosaurs.
Alright, let's get unboxing. Oh, we also bought some needles. We also want to show you that. So we bought these needles, but I was too excited to open it, so we just opened it. I already opened mine. So we'll open that one later, okay? So we just switched locations. So here's my dragon egg. I'm gonna open it. Alright, so I just opened it. Let's see what I got. So this is the egg. Is there something in there? Alright. See what we get. Ooh. Look at this. Oh wait, it comes with the bone. Look at these. I wonder if it can open its mouth. Check if it can open the mouth. Or let's see. Ooh. We're in the car right now, so the video might look a little bumpy. I actually like this. It looks cool. See that? So yeah, I actually like this. Alright, now let's get to unboxing my little dragon. Alright, I'm really happy. I'm really excited. I really want to open this. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Who threw my needle? Oh, Evan threw my needle. Feels really good. Alright, here we go. Whoa, it's long. Look at this. So cool. Look at the hands. It has like deer horns on it. Whoa, this is cool. It's really long too. Maybe like 10 inches? 7 inches? I don't know. But it is really long. Wow. I have always wanted a 3D printed dragon. And I finally got it. So long. Alright. See my little needle. Right here. Feels good. Alright, let's see what it looks like. What this looks like with the bone. What the dinosaur looks like with the bone. There was a motorcycle. The little bone fell. I can't. Okay, here we go. So I guess that's why you can open its mouth. So you open its mouth and then you put the bone in it, and then it bites down on the bone. See? I really wish I had a 3D printer. Let's put that back. Put him back in his head and close it. Alright. Wait. My dragon came with something. We'll get to that at the end of the video. But I'm gonna pass you on to Evan.
Alright, hey guys. It's me, Evan. And so right now, my brother passed the camera to me so I can unbox my stuff. But first we're gonna be unboxing this 3D printed mystery dragon. I really hope I get the fire one. So we're gonna unbox. Alright guys, here's the egg. Looks awesome. I didn't get the dragon I wanted, but it still looks pretty cool. Got a gray dragon. Alright, and it came with this. I don't know what it is, but let's check it out.
You're supposed to put it like here on the dragon.
Oh.
It's kind of hard.
I put the thingies on, but they fell off. Forget about those, they're too hard to put on, but this is cool. Alright, now we're gonna move on to this green dead dinosaur, extinct dinosaur. It comes with its own bone for some reason. Let's check it out. So cool. This is so cool. Wait. Oh, you can open the mouth. That's so cool. Alright, let's check out the bone. I don't know what it's for. Probably so this can chomp on it, maybe. Yeah, I think it's to chomp on it. But let's move on to the. Let's move on to the best part. The needle. Oh, I forgot to do something with the dinosaur. So since this is green and the egg is green, then let's put the dinosaur inside of the egg. If it fits. Hopefully it does. I don't think it will though. It doesn't. It just matches. But let's just move on to the needle. Alright, so let's unbox the needle. I've always been looking for a needle in my whole life. Since when they became popular. Okay. Alright, did that. Now, did that. There it is, the needle. The box of it. There it is, the needle. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. This feels so good. Look at it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna let you get a look inside. Hold on. I gotta practice first. Alright. You can stretch it a little. Ooh, this thing feels good. I mean, good. Oh, that feels so good. So, this feels really good. I recommend you buying these needles, but They're a little hard to find in Georgia, so you might want to go to Florida because they're more common in Florida. So, in Panama City. So, if you want a
Pier
needle,
Park.
they're in Pier Park. If you want one, so if you really want a needle, you can get one in Panama City in Pier Park.
Pier Park.
Pier Park.
You can find them like in Toy Kingdom.
Alright, my brother's.
Some like stores around the place.
You can find them in some stores around the place or in Toy Kingdom. So if you really want a needle, which feels really good, I recommend you buying it. But if you really want one, then you have to go to Panama City Pier. I don't know, I forgot. Pier Park, I think. And then you can get these. So, bye guys.